So first, let's turn off the air conditioner. That should be a little better. I'm leaving the ceiling fan on. If you can hear it, sorry. I gotta do it. It's humid here. Anyway, to the point. Doing a little video here. I've actually been trying to do this for a long time. Haven't gotten around to it. On how to do multiple layer color with a standard single head 3D printer. Done it a few different ways. People are always asking me how I did it. You can do it with simplified 3D. You can do it actually with the Marlin software itself, or you can just do it manually by pausing and stopping and starting and doing it. You know, I've also done it through Octoprint where I pause it, change the filament, and some of the ups and downs of each one, and all the different, you know, setups and how to go about it. So here's the video. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, in Simplified 3D, it's very easy. You just come over here and you click Add Process. And you match up whatever for your filaments and your stuff and whatever you want. And then you go to Advanced. And it's very easy. Start at and stop at. Now, you can figure out where you want it to start and stop at by going down to View and then Cross Section. And the unit will disappear on your screen. Then you raise your Z height, and as you can see, it'll let you go to whatever height you want. So, let's say I want to go to, well, he's not 50, he's not 30, he's not 25, but there he goes. Okay, I want to cut him right in half. So right around, let's say, make his main body, so 5.3. Let's just make it an even 5. Delete 5. Alright, that's where I want to change my filament. Get rid of that. So you go to the first one, you open it up, you go to Advanced, and you say start or stop at 5 millimeters. Delete 5 millimeters. Okay. Then you go to the second process, open it up, Advanced, and you want to start at 5 millimeters. Now that has to match or else there'll be a gap. You always want it to start and stop at the same spot, 5. And don't worry about stop at because we're just doing the full height. Okay. So what I always do is prepare to print, do the first process, okay, prepare to print. Just select the first process, continuous layer, blah, blah, blah. It'll calculate it out, and as you can see, it stops halfway through the print. Save file. Little man, earbud guy. One. Save it to my desktop. Exit preview. Select process 2. Prepare to print. Process 2 only. I'll let it do its slicing. And as you'll see, it's floating in the air. See how you can see right underneath there? So when I hit print, it's going to start right at that height. It's going to know to start right there. Whoops. Gotta release it. Save. Earbud guy 2. Whoops. Save. And then just print this G code first. Like me, if you walk away, when you come back, the printer will be all ready. You change your filament out, load this up as your next file, and just start printing it like it was a brand new item, leaving this in place. It'll automatically start at the right height and everything. That's how you do it with Simplified 3D. Now I'm actually going to do this in Simplified 3D, but I'm actually going to add a third color, which I will do with the Marlin software. So as you can see, it stopped halfway through the print. Everything reset. So all I gotta do, it's actually, I got here in time, still hot enough. I can just yank out the filament while the hot end's still hot. And put in the next one. Not supposed to drop stuff. And just shoot in the next color. Because it's hot, I can just push it in. And as you can see with Simplify 3D, a few things actually I like about Simplify 3D, it'll start to print just like it's a brand new print, but instead of starting at the print bed height because of the process, it now starts where it left off with a new color. And we're going orange. It might be hard to see on there, but his little feet are orange. And it's laying down orange now. So it's getting close to where I want to switch it out. Very close. I am going to let it run for just one more layer, I think. And then, come on. Change filament. And it'll automatically lift the head, move it to the side. Watch this. Ejects the filament out. I don't know if you saw it backing out. And then it starts chirping. Until you change the filament. Back up here. You can see what I'm doing. And you just hit the button. And it'll resume. Right where it left off. Or firmware, excuse me. That's the Marlin firmware. And now it's printing green. And I should have a little smiley face instead of glasses in green. And there you go. You can see he has white on the bottom and orange, and the white to orange I did in Simplify 3D. As you can see, I measured it right out, so it was perfect in the split. His little hand's orange, but his arm's white. And then I used the Marlin software to switch to green for his little smiley face and glasses. He's actually very cute. I'm very surprised how cute he is, actually. And there you go. We used the Simplify 3D to go from white to orange. It auto pauses and auto starts. And basically, you're doing two completely separate prints. You're just not, taking it off the build plate. And then we used the Marlin firmware to go from orange to green. Pretty cool looking little guy. Hope you enjoyed it.